Yes, where to
Ito
eat
parang
in
masarap to.
Dumaguete?
Kusina ni Lucci. Parang traditional Filipino food. Nasa banana leaf and everything.
Saan? Balik tayo?
Hindi.
Straight?
Kusina na yung Lucci. From initial. I just look at the map at yung may pinakamataas na kusina ni Lucci.
Straight ahead, wala naman
Turn
ikot.
right.
Turn right na dyan. Wala na. That's dead end.
Just in time. No sucker. Or tong Lolo Saysay. Yeah.
In 400 meters, turn right onto Dumaguete, Bacong Road, National Highway.
Maraming Filipino on Google. Pwede yung katabi niya na Lolo Saysay.
Yan na, dito nakakuhaan?
Hindi na lola kay lola pa. Lucci ka na? Bahay Lucci. Bahay na pala tayo eh. This is the song I don't like. Why? Why? Yes, I don't like it. She like everything, every idol. What? You don't? She doesn't like happy song. Why? Kara knows.
Take the next right onto Dumaguete, Bacong Road, National Highway.
So music is really just yung emotional or like rap. Aggravate your moodiness. Anong ka mag-aggravate your moodiness? If yung moody naman, nag-give something, happy.
In 200 meters, turn right onto Luke Wright Street.
On a fire. You're vibing to depression. Funny. Malapit lang sa area lang din. Malapit sa airport lang daw. Malapit sa airport.
Take the next right onto Luke Wright Street, then turn left onto Santa
Ito kailan
Catalina
facing
Street.
the sea to?
Hindi.
Hindi.
Yung mga facing na sila, daanan natin lahat. Di ba tayo paano rin ay PIEP? Di ba dito?
Hindi ko may yung kumain tayo na facing the sea.
Ito, gusto mo tong facing the sea.
Oh, facing the sea
So,
tayo.
Lantau Native Restaurant. Saan kayo kumain, no?
Straight tayo, turn right tayo.
Yun na lang.
Yeah.
Lantau Native.